Hey guys, Misha here. Let's prep for tomorrow. Oh, I'm in the trade. I'll show you. I put it into ideas. Coin is coining. I think it's good. I mean, we'll see. Plug held this level. No bueno. Well, technically it's a transitory. Maybe transitional is a better word. I don't know. Transitional extremum maybe is the word. And if it is now, then we have like this situation. So never mind this significant volume. That's why I put it on the map. But just keep an eye. Plug is doing way better. Yeah, it is doing way better. Yuan, Fosagro, Air Product. Look at this volume though. Wasn't even the last volume of the month. Yeah, I don't know. I think I should hold. Johnson & Johnson, Target. It's okay, it's expectable. I'm up like 3R on this trade. Now let's see what's going on here. What's going on here? Where was this huge volume? It's kind of nowhere. Can you hear this singing? There's something going on outside in the world. I think it's in the park. So yeah, it's an upthrust. Potentiality is 2.5, and then you would expect to resume the bullish movement. The little problem here is that this level is broken now, so it didn't hold. Maybe it wants to go like closer to 0.5. That would be unfortunate. Yeah, since it broke the level, maybe I should move everything to 2R. I'll let it run for now. Okay, CVS. Well, technically it corrected the level. 85. No, 84, so yeah. Technically that's what happened. Ooh. It is close. And technically it still holds the level. You'll need to see the reaction bar tomorrow. Yeah, I did like 2R on quarter of position and another like 3R on another quarter, and the rest I decided to hold to wherever. Doesn't matter now. I think to daily level. Anyhow, That's my trade. A little reckless, one can say. You will be right. Especially with this volume in our face, my broker does not allow me to put anything below here for like, they have like 2% rule. So the spread in between stop limit and limit order cannot be less than 2%, and that's what substitute 2%. Technically entered from 5 minutes. There is no signal, and like even more so, it broke down. But I do believe it's like last minute of the hour. So I think it will gap over tomorrow. And you see what it does already? So yeah, that's how it looks. Some dark pools start adding. We'll see tomorrow how it goes. I see like a lot of potentiality. Beautiful strengths, beautiful weakness. We see like the struggle here. Mostly here. Yeah, there is something here, but this cumulatively is way bigger than this. So we'll see. We'll see how it runs tomorrow. I think I'm in a good place. It's a little bit of like hooliganism, since it's not necessarily by the book, by the rule. But yeah, if it goes lower than this, I just want to break even. If it goes higher, I'll see how it behaves tomorrow, if it gives me a nice 2-bar spring. Because the other problem is like 0.5 is a little stretched, but that could be like overreaction of the market, just like going a little bit like too low. So all in all, I think it's a very good position to just go 0.5, sign of strength. We see like tail close to puff. Everything checks out. How did you make it on daily? That was not the deal. So yeah, we'll see how it works. Intel. Intel. What? Oh, sorry. I don't use extended hours, just like to lurk at what's going on. Maybe this was super weird. So I mean, first of all, I missed it, and secondly, it broke down. Like this is like super duper weird. I don't know really what happened here, but yeah, wasn't even a spring. It was like a break under ice. So that was transitory extremum, and then 5 minutes was awkward, and that was unvolumed to enter it anyway. So yeah. Still an interesting place. Yeah, you see it took off. If it corrects to like anywhere around here, that would be nice. We'll keep an eye. I'm not sure if there's any point to and I still don't know how to interpret this. Yeah, let's leave it what it is, okay? Let's even more so, let's just put it back to, it'll be interesting from here, but for now let's just let it go to Dune. Broke down. Never mind the transitory extremum. 2.5 and this awkward volume. Do we experience volume across the board on June 21st? There's something I don't know. Maybe something on calendar or something like in financial world of corporations that did this splash. I don't know how to treat it. It's volume here, it's volume here. There is volumes. Not that biggest volume. And it's like close to 0.5, however. volume. Yeah. It's a good place on monthly. Volume distribution though. It's still. Yeah, it still holds. It's bigger. Done. And that's a spring. What you're talking about. So the little problem is it's still bigger. It's not the biggest. Ah, okay, that's why I put it there. I don't know, you guys. I don't know. Technically, this is. And it's bearish if measured from the close of the previous. It's bullish if measured from the close of the previous. This volume and even bigger this volume. It's fully tested. Let's keep it for now, still on the hourly. If it looks like super yum tomorrow, I like it on monthly. And there's nothing for us here. It goes to a daily watch. Oof. Yeah. That looks great, actually. Mm-hmm. Yeah, let's keep on watching it. Do you have anything? Yeah. No. Weird volume. Oof. And we are below this volume. Oof. This is rough. And even it comes to this volume, now it's counter trend below the volume. Oof. Just died. It's an interesting development. Last day of the month. I am not even sure what I'm looking at and what I'm looking for, even more so, even more importantly. Yeah, this all just grows. Novatech, Pfizer did. I was gonna say well, but never mind. Broke the level. Boom. What we're looking for here. What are we looking for here? Nothing, just like for it to come here now. Back to the daily level. Back to the daily level. Did a little bump from this volume level and that's about it. But yeah, when it comes back here, we'll be watching it. I will be there when the dun 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 dun. When the whole, you remember that world falls apart. Dun, 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 dun. Oh gosh, good times. Was it Tiesta? No, not Tiesta. No, it's not Tiesta. Who was it? was an EDM track back from my life in India. Yeah, I mean, we'll need to wait for Pfizer to come to the daily level. And once again, I'm improvising. It's totally against the rules. It all looks short. It all looks short. Why am I even looking at it? Because I believe in this volume levels. This and this. There's something that happened here, which is already comparable to this, but not quite this. So let's mark it. This volume is still still attractive. So if it goes here, like retests again, and we see and then weakness, and then we'll see. I don't know. Can't wrap my mind around. Still waiting on the fast to come to the monster level. Same deal, we need some action here on Heinz. Oh, see me. Now we see weakness. We are below this volume. This is so weird what it does. It definitely consolidates. If you can't understand the stock, Misha, stay away. Up thrust test. If it comes here would be good for buy. Did quick 2R here, no regrets. Ooh la la. McDonald's is doing it. McDonald's is doing it. Yeah. Oh, it's a transitional extremum forming. We need to wait for it to form, but it's doing great. It's doing great. Not the biggest volumes, but I mean, significant. Yeah, it just needs to, since it broke this level, we need to see it tomorrow. Comcast, United Health, Blackstone, Allstate, Home Depot, my sweetheart Home Depot. Wait, it's Gazprom. Yeah, never mind, it broke the level, so it's still kind of cool, is it? No. Oof, this stuck. No, let's leave it alone. Shouldn't be even on my any watch. Moscow exchange, also not sure what I'm looking at. Oh, I'm looking at this 0.5 possible correction. Yeah, that's doable if it comes to 0.5. You know what I mean? I already did once, so never mind. Yeah, here. Like 0.5 is kind of like one-time deal. Yeah, so once again. Cisco, San Francisco. Are they in San Francisco? I think like all the tech companies left San Francisco. Only homeless people stay. Bad joke. Sorry. It's not a spring, it's manipulation, but it's not a spring, it's unvolumed. Here's a bigger volume, so sorry Cisco, but you're weird. Yeah, and this volume too. When it comes here, maybe like retest it. expanded. Oh, this is continuation of the trend. Anyone knows why it's on my... That's wild. Why is it on my daily watch? I don't think there is anything for me to watch on daily for this AVGO. Yeah, volume is concerning. Let's keep it, but volume is definitely concerning. Ooh, this is... Oh yeah, that's my... Oof. I had to grab it. Can really move it here. It's almost tested, you know. But yeah, when it comes here, ooh, that'll be sweet. DR Horton. Same deal, a little bit like too narrow, and this is like a little too wide, but still a little far from 0.5, but still. Volume, we need an exhaustion volume here. Okay, our monthlies. Sorry, I'm being myself. Why do I even watch it? Anyone knows? It needs to come like here now, at least. It did come to 0.5 here. There's this crazy volume. I just don't know what to do with it. And this volume, wow. 953, close, 956. It's broke anyways. Okay, let it do its thing. This total energies thing. Yeah. Looks like it's on a roller coaster. Something wild. In 0.5 right now as we speak. And also appears to be a sign of strength level. And I'm like talking to myself, don't do it, Misha, it's a mess. That's a good volume. It's a good volume. In 0.5. And that's a good volume too. Do we really want to go this route? Because it's good to buy from. Am I really doing it? Well, if the volume is good. Oh, that's last volume of. I just had this conversation with another group of traders about how I like neglect. So this, like, I would not neglect, but last hour of the day, yeah, there's a weird splash. I still don't know what's going on, like why it doesn't move the price. So I understand that some traders that cannot carry positions overnight by the rules, like proprietary traders or whatever, they have to close their positions. By why does it not move the price? So someone absorbs all that, or maybe some other kind of technical volume that's been added in the last 5 minutes of the day. It's like super weird. Like this, like moved the market, but many times. Like this, it doesn't move like the market much, you know. Okay, so it's high up there. Like, I shouldn't be doing it. No, screw that. Should not be. Oops. This is not a working range though. So I've seen like from here. Yeah, if I just like. Where would I? Yeah, after I didn't hold this level here, I could have started charting it independent as an independent approach. Then it makes more sense. Um, then it makes more sense. But I mean, if it just crashes from here, then I'm screwed. Yeah, let's leave it alone. Let's just leave it alone. I have enough to work with. My continuations of the trends, I cannot trade right now because I'm stuck in some trades, aka Johnson and Johnson, Intel, and what else? Not the target, CVS, one of them. And I have my rules. One real stop loss a month, like stop market, stop loss, only when I'm not stuck in any trades. So not till I'm out of Intel, like the trades, I'm like 3 trades I'm stuck in for break even. I'll be considering anything in continuation of the trend. And yet, like, real stops are so. I don't think I should go to them just because American market gaps like crazy. So it can just gap and, you know, you can just gap overnight to like eat up like 10% of your working capital, of your deposit, just to go back and rebound the same day. It's just like crazy. I don't think. I don't know how to short an American market because you cannot short with stop limits because it can not break you even and then it will never just go. It will go up almost always, but it can not go down. And then you just kind of like you'll be losing money indefinitely. On the other side, just putting real stop markets is really makes no sense because market gaps like crazy. I'm still to wrap my mind around it. For now, I'll just keep working with stop limits only. I like it better. I don't like losing money. even though all trading schools say it's normal, but like if you read the books, like Fidelity Guy, like any major investor will always say rule number one, they'll lose money, and rule number two, never ever lose money. It's a good rule. So it's not a working day Apazan, but also like I don't think it's the company I should work with at all. Should maybe clean up my watch list. Yeah, it's up there. Okay, now it's officially in correction. And again, I don't know how to treat it, was it a sign of strength or not. I'll leave it alone. I'll leave it alone. First of all, this is the level, and this volume is bigger by hair. And secondly, it didn't hold. It did its move now, right? What a collection of weird stocks I have. Yeah. Looking good. To correct somewhere here. That would be sweet. Okay, so it's trying. It's so high up there. Like really, really high. Really, really high. There's a balance that actually held. Comes to think of it. Didn't it? Yeah, so it did hold. So never mind. It's a balance, ladies and gentlemen. On volume upthrust though, so can try it again. But for now, it missed it by hair. But I mean, visually, it's a balance. Period. Okay. Officially, it's a correction now. Same deal. If it ever comes here, ooh, that will be good to buy. Qs are grading higher. It's approaching 0.5. No volume. But yeah, if it gives us a good... It's counter trend though. I mean, if it shows something distinctive on daily, you know what I mean? Why not? We need to overcome this volume though. Hold on, let me plug in my computer. My Mac, I'm sorry. Not my computer, my Mac. Interesting. Who would have told here that it's gonna go higher in all-time historical heights with this tail, with this volume? But boom, held this level and took off. And took off. And this is also a sign of strength level. That would be sexy to buy it from here. Texas Instruments Incorporated. That sounds trustworthy. Did you know that the sound tickers and names of the companies have better chances at IPO? No matter how silly it is, name matters. It's kind of like if you can't name your company sound, what are you expecting? Those weird Vanguard stocks, stockies, ETFs. Excuse me. It's ETFs. Why do I care what it is? I would trade a temperature chart if it had volumes, you know? Like temperatures, if it had volumes, I would trade it. An index for the temperature. I would just trade it. How does it matter? Wave is the wave. Volume spread analysis is volume spread analysis. Period. 755. It did go. Look at this. By hair. No, 49.55. No, it didn't. No, that's not what I want. I want you to go. Yeah. Communication service. Sorry guys, I'm not commenting on all of that just because I'm looking for my patterns, and once I find one, I comment it somehow. But that confirmed the reversal of the trend. So it's now officially in a bullish trend. That was good for short. This is beautiful strength here. That's it. I'm not gonna look for new stocks. That's all I got for tomorrow. Weird, but this is way more healthier. Once again, so much above 0.5. Yeah, weird setups. Anywho, that's all I've got. See you tomorrow. Everything I say is not a financial advice.